Hey guys, let's check out this 2026 M423S. This coach is a rear living unit with half bath, optioned with rustic raised panel unstained cherry cabinets, glacier engineered hardwood flooring which keeps the interior light and inviting. In the living area, we have a 55-inch televator with no fireplace to gain more interior storage. For seating, the client chose a reclining leather loveseat and queen sleeper sofa. Before the kitchen, we have an attached dining table with a removable leaf and large windows that bring the campsite indoors. In the kitchen, they chose stunning San Mateo quartz countertops. They've optioned a Fisher Paykel dishwasher, fixed pantry, Samsung convection microwave, true induction 2-burner cooktop, black undermount quartz sink with accessories under a luxury titanium kitchen faucet and under sink RO spigot. A full-size residential fridge with freezer drawer caps off this well-equipped island kitchen. Right before the bedroom is a half bath nestled conveniently off the entrance. It has a door-mounted full-body mirror. Inside is a small hidden safe, single sink vanity with mirrored medicine cabinet, toilet with bidet lid, and tons of full-height storage. Before making it upstairs, this client travels with their feline friend, so we've designed a corner cubby for the litter box with hallway access and dimmable interior lighting. In the bedroom are tall side windows and picture window for lots of natural lighting over the residential king-size bed. Across the way is a vanity cabinet with hidden TV and ample cabinet space that lead us into a solid wood pocket door concealing a spacious bathroom. It hosts a single sink with front-lit backlit mirror and defog setting. Across the way is another bidet lid toilet next to a 32x48 onyx panel shower with Excurex glass and dual shower head with pause feature. In the very front are 2 deep linen cabinets for all of your towels and toiletries, right before the cedar lined closet which hosts a base cabinet with tons of drawers, front cap shelves, and residential LG washer and LG ventless dryer with center divider. Thanks for touring this M423S with me. If you'd like more information, feel free to call or check out our website at horizonsrv.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future New Horizons content.